So I've had a slow leak for a while. The other day it was really low and I decided to look at it. It looks like this nail's been here a while. It's not really leaking bad right now, but I'm still gonna take care of it. Bought myself a plug kit, so if anybody wants to know how to fix their own tire, this is how you do it. So I'm at the gas station right next to the air. Got my quarters out and everything ready to go. First thing we're gonna do is use some needle nose, and we're gonna, it's the easiest if you take your tire off, but if you can get to it without doing that, looks like a screw. It's been there a while. So we're gonna pull it out. And it doesn't seem like that's a lot of air coming through there, but I don't really think it's leaking. Oh, it is. So we're gonna use this guy to clean out the hole. Oops. I said it's easy. I'd be lying. Okay. Starting to get in there. And once I get through, it's going to be real quick. I'm going to put some rubber cement on this rubber plug that's on the special tool with the slot that'll leave it in the hole. So for this, we're just gonna get it on there. And lube it up. And that'll slide it right through the hole. We gotta push it in there real good. So it stays when we pull the tool out. Oh shit. Just like that. Then, after we got the plug in the tire, we had the camera set back up. And a razor blade. Now all we're gonna do is trim very carefully, trim the excess off of here. You don't want to fuck up your tire, and at the same time you don't want to leave any of this plug hanging out of here because it'll catch on the road and get pulled out. Then you got a worse hole than you had to begin with. And that wouldn't be very fun. Most casual DIYers, I don't ever recommend using a razor blade without a tool attached to it, but I do. You only need to cut yourself a few times, so learn. And that's about it. I'm gonna throw a little bit of air in there. £33 for me. I'll do it. And there you have it. Fix a nail, screw in the tire, less than 10 minutes. Not too hard. You just need one of these little kits with the plugs. They sell them at, got this one in AutoZone. It was $7.99 I think, or $8.99. Comes with the tools, the rubber cement, the plugs. It doesn't come with a blade. The only thing you need is a razor blade, some kind of knife to cut the excess off. Otherwise, doing this on the side of the road isn't really going to help you. So, there's all the necessary tools to fix your flat. So, if you're far away, whatever. Anyways, hope you guys like this video. I just like to, when I think about it, share stuff that I know or that I do or whatever. So have a good day.